Which product packaging would you buy? This one, or this one? 68% of the people consuming goods online are reported to buy more from a brand that is willing to offer an amazing customer experience. As we know, Amazon is a space full of competition, and what separates the best from the rest is how they deliver the customer experience and not the product only. So now, how can you make sure as a seller, as an online brand, that you're not only selling quality product, but you're also delivering the mind-blowing customer experience? Let's dive into 3 ways that you can help your customers have a supreme experience and come back wanting to purchase more from you. Point number 1. Product packaging and unboxing experience. You know, a lot of people, when I speak to them, they say, hey, I sell the best quality product. My quality is 10 times better than my competitors. But what they forget is quality is not only measured about how the product is in use or durability, but it matters a lot in terms of unboxing. Let me give you an example to explain you this concept. I have 2 keyboard boxes over here. Number 1 is this keyboard that I purchased from Amazon. You can see how the box is. Is there any good experience in terms of unboxing it? Do I feel excited to open this? Maybe I feel that I've overpaid for this kind of a product. Now let me give you a second example. This is another keyboard that I ordered from Amazon, and the unboxing experience is flawless and amazing. You can see the packaging, the design, the lamination look that they have, that has made the unboxing and the packaging experience way superior. So before even I judge the product by opening and using it, in my mind, I've already made that this product is way superior than any other product that I've ordered on Amazon. Point number 2, product information and knowledge. Do you know most of the sellers sell online products of their own brands without any user manual, without any video explaining how to use the product for the best efficiency? As a result, a lot of people face the issue of returns, bad customer experience, and people get a lot of negative reviews. As a result, the sales decline. Now, in this tip, I'm going to explain you that what you can do to enhance your customer experience with product knowledge and information. Right now, if you can see, I have 2 user manuals. When I bought one of the products, I bought one of the ACs and I got this user manual which shows exactly step by step how to use the product with product images and every other information. In fact, they do have a video also that I could access when I go to their website. Another one, I bought a table from IKEA, and they show exactly how to install and just make the DIY of your table step by step using a user manual, and everything is step by step. Nothing has been missed. Now, do you know why these brands do it? You have guessed it correct. It is all because of the customer experience. If the customer can understand via video or via a user manual, the chances of people getting the better use of the product and returning reduces into half. Point number 3, giving them email or number to contact with you. You know, most of the people who buy online, they buy through images, but they are not able to really understand a product. Some of the times they need some personal assistant. They need some human intervention. So the best way that you can help and support your customers and get in touch with them is by giving your email or a phone number to get contacted. Now, don't get me wrong, you don't need to buy expensive numbers like toll free for brands. You can just have a simple number that somebody would pick up and help them. For example, if you see this keyboard that I bought, it's not a very big brand, but you can see they have given you the support and the email ID and the number that you can contact so that the customer can resolve their issue without any hassle. And guess what? You also win the customer because now he has come into your radar or funnel. Otherwise, he would have never reached out to you because this customer is of Amazon and not yours. Do you want a bonus as well? So I promised 3 tips, but I'm going to give you another major tip. Number 4. which is a bonus tip. Always offer some discount, something that a customer can come back and buy more from you. If you see, most of the people call it as loyalty bonus. Some people call it as retention bonus. If you can make a customer feel a family member of you, they will buy more from you. For example, if you see, if you are giving your first product to somebody and you give them another 10 or 20% off coupon code for their next purchase, they would be more than happy to buy your product if they had a positive experience in their first product. If you see Amazon Prime, that is another way how Amazon incentivizes most of the people to buy more and more from Amazon. So let me know in the comments, what are you doing to get your buyers come back to you and win the competition, not only based on the product purchase, but the customer experience.